have to put here. Finish. Now wash it and you get wash it and run in the water. Don't waste wash. Look like this. Wash this. And rub it. It's not inner water because don't waste water. It's drawn water. Hit the number and you have to not waste water. But don't help your mommy. Help your daddy. Your mommy say, "Come help me," and you come help him. And you eat. We not get tired. Clean this. It's good. It's crown half. We have to clean this. Help your help your mommy, help your daddy, help your cousin, help your baby, help your wash them this. Hello friend, watch dishes. Subscribe, Marwa, and hit number notification.